Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Scarcity is the core of economics, and we are going to master this concept right now. Scarcity is the fundamental economic problem that every society faces today. It happens because our human desires are basically infinite, but the physical resources we have are strictly limited and finite. This massive imbalance between what we want and what we actually have necessitates tough choices. We must decide how to allocate these rare resources efficiently to satisfy our most important needs.